I am Javier Peña. It's head of project management in OMIA. It's a company for minerals, and I am working in the engineering department and managing projects internally for our company. Yeah.
Oh, okay, interesting. And you've been here the whole day, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what did you think of the speakers today and the quality of the presentations?
Good, in general, good. Of course, some ones more interesting for me and other ones not, but in general point of view, good from my point of view, yes.
Okay, perfect. And you also had a little bit of a chance to speak with some of the other participants. Did you meet any interesting people?
Yes, well, now we are starting because it's the first day, half a day of the first day, but yes, we are now starting to talk with the people here, networking.
Yeah.
It looks that there are people for around of the world.
Yeah.
Also, it's my first time. I cannot compare with past forums, but looks very interesting. It's quite interesting, and yes, we are doing now networking. Yeah.
Nice. So you're also here tomorrow and the day after?
Yes.
Yes. What are you looking forward to?
I am looking for, because we probably for me we're working also for engineering, and they are talking also in mega projects, but okay, maybe I am trying to find different, because there are a lot of type of projects. Also, I understand that it's difficult to put all the portfolio of the projects that there are in the world, but I am also recovering interesting ideas from another person, so I am really open. I am not looking for something specific. It's just listen and learning.
Okay, nice. We'll see.
Thank you.
Interesting. And then the final question: what did you think about the organization of this event and about the venue?
Well, good. The only thing is that was changed the hotel twice, and I am in the Novotel. But okay, finally it's not so far from here, so good. And at this moment, no issue. The food good, the people good, well organized. No issues about this. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your time. That's it.
Thank you very much.